Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Leah back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, it is time for another crochet hair install video. In today's crochet hair, as you also saw from the title, is the Freetress Brazilian braid hair. This hair is 20 inches. I do have it in two separate colors. So I have the Freetress Brazilian braid 20 inches in the color TT30, and I have it in the color TT27. I bought it from a beauty supply store. You can see the sticker on it. So I went into a physical beauty supply store over here in Charlotte, off Central Ave, Central Ave, Ann's Beauty. Shout out to y'all, because y'all are one of few stores where I actually see the Brazilian braid. I've gotten requests to do the Brazilian braid by Freetress, but I always say I want to do hair that you guys can easily access, but sometimes I have a hard time finding it online. I have a hard time finding it in stores. I'm almost like, are they phasing out this hair? But it was in plenty supply at Ann's Beauty, so I guess not. And then I did also see it on Amazon as well. So it's out here in the world. You guys can find it. Now, of course, this is the hair outside of the packages. We have the TT27, TT30. I'm doing a blend. I'm doing another blend, you guys. You're like, when are you going to stop with the blends? When I feel ready. I just want two different colors. And I think the colors, like when you blend it all together, can you see? Now, okay, I'm twisting them together. Can you see? Can you tell which one is which? Can you see? No. I think they're two different colors, but they're merged and look very well together. In terms of my braid pattern, it's the same braid pattern from the last time. Not that it's mirroring the same pattern. No, it's the exact same pattern. If you watched my Bobby Boss French Wave video, you saw in the review I was taking that hair out at a week. And that's so I could also use the pattern over again. We gonna use a pattern over again over here on this channel. We ain't got time for the braid down. So my mother did this braid down fresh. It's been a week ago. About a week ago, a little over a week ago. You're probably seeing a video right now of it at its fresh stage, and now you're seeing it. One weekend, it's not bad. I don't got loosened up braids. It's still a solid base. It's a solid foundation. Now, I do have several packs of this here, so I'm not at all worried about running out. And I also feel like a lot comes in this quantity. I think it's equivalent to the Ziggy curl or Ziggy braid that I tried from Rasta Free a while ago. I just know that this is the more popularized version of this hair. I won't drag out this intro any longer. Let's just get started with this install. I'm not going to split this hair at all at any point through this install, but what I am going to do to install is push the crochet needle through my braid, attach the hair to the end of the needle, then pull both the needle and the hair through enough that a little loop is created, and then bring the strands of this hair through twice, essentially double knotting this hair. I do feel like this is a hair where you're going to want to double knot, but you don't really need to do more than a double knotting situation. And I'm going to repeat that process, grabbing one of the TT27s and then one of the TT30s, so that again, I have a nice cohesive blend of each hair throughout.
Girl,
front, I do almost the same thing. I push the crochet needle through the braid, attach the hair, make a loop, but instead of pulling both strands through twice, I pull one strand through twice, creating a small knot. I want what is called an invisible knot. That is a knot that's much smaller than a knot that is created when you pull two strands through twice. It makes a bigger knot. You pull it through twice, you pull it through 3 times, 4 times, the bigger the knot. Pulling it through once in a single strand through once creates a smaller loop, and it's just as secure in my opinion. I don't have any strands falling out. It's just for a realistic hairline, and you'll see at the end, I'm always about a realistic hairline. Juice is flowing down your So now this is the finished look. I'm inserting a turnaround so you guys can see how it looks 20 inches uncut. This is how it would look if you installed it fresh from the package to your head. Now, I did use 3 packages of this hair. I used 1 pack of TT27. I used 2 packs of TT30. So a little bit goes a long way. And again, this hair was $6.49 a pack. So 3 packs. I bought more. Clearly, I bought more than the 3 packs because I have 1 unused one. But 3 times $6.49, what is that roughly? $19, $19.50? Whatever the case could be. I'm not good at the quick on the feet math, but I know mathematically it's under $20. I know I just made the cheapest crochet hair options video on this channel. I maybe should have added this in because 3 packs at under $25 is very affordable, but I don't know. That was cheap and good. We got to see if this is going to be good. I like the blend on it. I think, again, having used 2 different colors, the colors work well and marry well together. I did not split this hair. I don't think this is a hair you can split. The strand is the strand, so I did double knot throughout the back and the front. I did invisible knot, so pulling 1 strand through so I could create a more seamless looking, sorry if I'm speaking directly in the mic, but a more seamless looking parting space, especially considering we are using an old braid pattern. Looking seamless is a part of the plan. Now, I don't know if I'll cut a lot of this hair. I might cut a little bit because it is like full. Like, this is a lot going on here. If I pull this over to the side, it's a big hair. It's not gonna be for those who say, oh, I want thin hair. This is gonna be a bigger hair type of a situation. Very lightweight, feels like nothing on my head, which we love lightweight. We love nothingness on my head. Install overall took me about 1 hour, 20 minutes, just like my very last hair. I think my sweet spot now is under 90 minutes. Under 90 minutes and I'm done. I'm getting that way. And again, I guess it depends on the hair too. This hair was easy in the fact that I didn't have to split it. It came pre-separated. It's not like it's one of those hair where I have to determine how much to pull. The hair pulls itself. You are given the amount that you are supposed to use. Overall, I really like it. It is kind of, kind of big, but we'll get that all together. You'll see how I feel about this hair if you're tuned in and subscribed to watch my review video. This is just an install. I don't leave you hanging. I wear the hair for a while. I tell you what my nighttime routine is. I tell you whether I think it's water friendly, overall active friendly, and I tell you if I recommend the hair. I can't recommend it based off of an install because I've had it in for 30 seconds. Can't recommend it. And I love thoroughness. I love to be a thorough person, so I'm going to bring you that full review if you are subscribed and you have that notification bell on so that you are alerted when that video goes live. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Lia Lavon 89 to keep up with my shenanigans in real time. TikTok at Lia Lavon, which is a few more shenanigans and a bit more real time. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.